How to easily open an engine oil cap. First, take a combination wrench and place it on the oil cap. Then, insert a screwdriver through the wrench for extra leverage and turn it. Easy, right? Here's an easy way to tighten your motorcycle brake. Push the brake lever with a screwdriver, then tighten the spring lock nut. Simple as that. Got a worn drum and a loose bearing? Try this quick fix. Put the bearing in, then use a screwdriver or nail to tap around the edge so it locks in place. Simple. Having trouble removing a body bolt? Here's the trick. Use an L-shaped Phillips key, then slide a T-handle wrench through it for extra leverage. Turn it until the bolt comes loose. The T-handle gives you more torque because of the longer leverage. Simple, right? Many people don't know this easy way to install a motorcycle stand spring. Using pliers is difficult, right? Here's the trick. Hook one end of the spring onto the stand, then use a screwdriver to pull the other end into place. Simple, right? How to remove a motorcycle handlebar locking rubber. First, use a wrench to hold the handlebar shaft. Then, insert an L-shaped Phillips key into the bolt. After that, use a T-handle for extra leverage and loosen the bolt. Easy, right? First, remove the Kickstarter bolt and lever. Pry out the old seal and clean the area. Use a cut plastic cup to guide the new seal onto the shaft, then press it in evenly until flush. Reinstall the lever and tighten the bolt. Simple, right? Brake not gripping well? Fix it yourself. First, take a screwdriver and push the brake arm forward until it hits the spring stop. Then tighten the lock nut on the brake arm. Done! Your brake will feel firm again. Easy, right? Is your motorcycle handle grip spinning? Try this simple trick. First, take a piece of plastic and wrap it around the handlebar. Then, heat it with a lighter so it sticks. After that, install the handle grip. Finally, trim any excess plastic with scissors or a cutter. Simple, right? Having trouble installing a tight chain? Here's an easy trick. First, attach cable ties to both ends of the chain, then tighten them to pull the chain closer together. After that, install the connecting link and secure the clip. Simple, right? Your motorcycle key broke? Here's a simple trick. Heat the tip of a Fisher wall plug, then press it onto the broken key piece and let it cool. Once it hardens, you can easily pull the broken piece out. Simple, right? Remove and install a tire without taking off the exhaust? Here's how. First, cut a used oil bottle into 3 pieces. Then remove the tire valve core to release the air. After that, place the bottle pieces along the rim to protect it while removing the tire. Next, loosen the exhaust bolt slightly for extra clearance. Then take the tire off the rim. Easy, right? If your motorcycle seat won't open because the key is lost, here's a workaround. First, drill a hole in the body under the seat, making sure it lines up with the seat lock. Then use a small nail or metal rod to pry the latch until it opens. Simple, right?